Open the glove box.
Remove the damper arm.
The glove box is secured by 2 tabs at the top. Press them forward and pull down on the glove box door to slide behind the tabs. Lower the glove box. Unclip the 3 tabs on the filter housing door. Then lift the door to free the bottom tabs from their catch. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter housing door by threading the bottom tabs into their catch. Re-clip the housing door. Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stops.
Reinstall the damper arm.
Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.